Ever since we were children in grade school, we have learned about these. Wildcats are fascinating in many ways, down to the fact that they purr like domestic cats and down to their characteristics. There are many different species and subspecies of wildcats, and they are also known as big cats. The four main types are lions, tigers, jaguars, and leopards. The first off our list will be the lion. This feline has a reputation for being the king of the jungle, even though they live in the desert. Lions can grow up to 10 feet in length, and they live in packs called prides. The lion is the only wildcat to have packs. According to National Geographic, in the prides, the females are the main hunters, and they are the cub rearers. The males are in charge of the territory and protecting the prides, which is why the roar can travel up to 5 miles. Second on our list is the tiger. The tiger is the largest of the big cats, and according to National Geographic, unlike the other big cats, they like to swim, and it's because of their lower heat tolerance. Also, according to National Geographic, tigers share all but 4.4% of DNA, the same DNA as domestic cats. These giant felines are endangered, and the world's tiger population has declined to 3,200 in the last century, according to Britannica. Next is the jaguar, and it is the largest cat in the Americas and the third largest in the world after the lion and the tiger, according to discoverwildlife.com. The jaguar is a solitary creature, and it likes to live alone. The only time it ever meets up with other jaguars is due for mating purposes. This big cat is normally found in swamplands and tropical rainforests, but they can also live in deserts and grasslands. Jaguars are also identified by their rosette-shaped spots. Oftentimes they're confused for the leopard, but the difference is that the jaguar has the rosette-shaped spot with a spot inside of the rosette shape, whereas the leopards do not. It's just the rosette shape. And last but certainly not least is the leopard. Leopards can be found in sub-Saharan Africa, Northeast Africa, Central Asia, and China. According to the National Geographic kids, they can run up to 58 kilometers per hour and can leap to up to 6 meters forward. This cat is also nocturnal, and during the night they usually hunt for their prey. And this cat also has specific calls and can purr like domestic cats. The 4 types of wildcats, lions, tigers, and jaguars, and leopards, are also known as big cats because they're the biggest cats. They're similar in many ways, but different in a lot of ways.